Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this elder bean avatar from Grow a Garden new Beanstalk update for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to join Grow a Garden game, and then you can go to this area right here on the edge of the garden game, and you will see the elder bean avatar. You can talk to him, okay, and then you can click on I want to join the cause. Okay, and after that you will unlock this elder bean avatar for free. As you can see, I have already put on this avatar. I have already applied this avatar. Okay guys, that's all the way to unlock the Elder Bean avatar in Grow a Garden new Beanstalk update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!